Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of halt. A suspension of movement or activity, typically a temporary one. For example, a halt in production. American pronunciation. HALT. HALT. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. HALT. Say. HALT. HALT means suspension of movement or activity. HALT. HALT. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Eventually, the party derails and Maddie crashes to a halt. Now, repeat after me. Eventually, the party derails and Maddie crashes to a halt. The second practice. All activity drew to a halt when Mom baked her cheesecake. Now, repeat after me. All activity drew to a halt when Mom baked her cheesecake.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.